Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to bake white chocolate chip matcha cookies. So let's get started. I've preheated the oven about 170 degrees Celsius or about 340 degrees Fahrenheit. I've got here 150 grams unsalted softened butter, 150 grams granulated white sugar, 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 2 bars of white chocolate that I chopped. I've got here a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 10 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of matcha, and this is my secret recipe. That's 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So first of all, we're going to beat the butter with the sugar together until it's a little bit fluffy, mixed together. If you don't want to use mixer, you can also use spatula. It just takes time. So I'm gonna put the vanilla sugar inside. I have like 10 grams, like about 1 package. If you don't have vanilla sugar, you can also put in a vanilla extract. And I put in the egg right now. So mix it together. I'm going to sieve in the cornstarch, my dry ingredients, the salt, baking soda, and green tea matcha, and then my flour, all-purpose flour, so I still have some here. So that's the salt inside. So I just put in my white chocolate. I'm just going to mix it. I think it's better with a spoon. It's better with a spoon. You can also make it with dark chocolate chips. In my opinion, I think matcha tastes better with white chocolate. But if you don't like white chocolate, of course, you can use dark chocolate. I'm just going to scrape the dough like this. It's like a little ball. And just put on a tray. If you see that, you see that? There. I'm gonna make more. Okay, put some space between them. So when you bake, they melt. I have some here. I'm just going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes and let's check it out later. So my cookies are done. They were in the oven for about 10 minutes. You see that? You can't tell they're not like, they're chopped white chocolate. Now we have to wait. So I'm going to try my cookies right now. It's really good. It's very soft inside, crispy outside, and you could really taste the matcha, and it fits perfectly with white chocolate.